Hi friends, I am Tilak and you're watching Tech Made Me Unique, and today we're going to see a YouTube share a clip feature on your PC. So if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video.
So share a clip option, I just choosing just watch some videos now. So I want to share a particular clip on this video. It's a main topic about the solution or some questions. So I just want to share, just click on the clip option here. So after clicking on the clip option, you can choose a 1 minute or 30 seconds or 10 seconds that what the main point of content that you want to share to your colleagues or to your friends or to your employees, whatever. So you just want to select the particular seconds by dragging from here, or else you can also type the exact time of finishing and also the ending time, and or else you can also track the seconds by choosing on the down. You can just type it as 1 minute 5 seconds or 1 minute 2 seconds and the any time, and you just want to name the clip. You just want to name the clip. This will not share this video to your YouTube channel. This is a link. This will only provide a link. You just want to, you can see the exact timing. You can track here, and this will not upload on your YouTube channel. Just note that it will only share as a copy link. You just share clip, directly click on the share link. You just copy now. If you don't copy it, this will be erased. So just copy this link and you can share it on WhatsApp or social medias, whatever. I just pasting here. You can see now this is the clip that I cut. So you can see the cut symbol here, and you can also watch the full videos by choosing this. And here you can have a share a clip or watch later, and this 3 dots which allows you to delete the clip that you shared. If you delete it, the link that you shared will not be worked for them also, so you can delete your link if you have that link on your own. So by this option you can share any videos. Many important topics can be shared by using this shared link. Try this and make a use of it, and try it on PC now.
Friends, if you find this video perfectly useful, like this video, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to click on the subscribe button below. If you want more content about YouTube, just follow this channel. We will meet on next video with your super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Me Unique. Have a wonderful day.